Alright, so it's Ricky Repairs back at it again. So we're gonna clean the carpets in the Mitsubishi Montero Sport. Just look at all the stains. Whoa, that looks bad. Alright, it's passenger side. All those stains. Just gonna check out the driver's side. I'll just go ahead and check out the back seats. Whoa. Look at all those things. And right there in the center. And down here. Right there. Alright, let's go and check out the back seat. Not the back seat, but the back. See right here. Let's go check the back. Alright, I'm gonna try to clean this. There's some stains right there. Just fold those seats forward. Clean that right there, back. Clean this side. Alright, so there's a long story behind this car. So originally I lost the keys, which I never lost it. I just had it on the compartment on my other car, and I had to get the key cylinder replaced and make a new key. And after that, I also had to order the computer, which was a different computer for a different older model for this car. And then once I was trying to smog it, the EGR was never ready, the EGR monitor. But it wasn't the right computer, that's why I wouldn't read it. So yeah, I had to reinstall a different one, the correct computer for this car, and I was finally able to smog it. But it was the wrong computer that was installed. So yeah, I ordered that online, so that was my fault for ordering the wrong one. So yeah, make sure you replace the computer, is the right model. Alright, let's go and get it started. Alright, so we're not using nothing fancy. We're just gonna use our drill gun. What we're using today is SuperClean. Shout out to SuperClean for sending out the products so we try it out. Alright, so let's go ahead and spray this to the stains we want to clean. So for this one, you can just take it out. You don't have to keep it in there. Just gonna pull it out. Same thing with the other side. Just gonna pull it out. Just gonna spray them. Just gonna get the stains. Same thing with the other side. Get the stains. I'm just gonna get the front seats. Just gonna get the driver's side. let's get an RD spray right here. Alright, let's go ahead and grab the drill. Start cleaning it up. Bucket. See, it's pretty dirty. Just let the sponge pull it out. Just look how dirty it is. get the last part. Part right here. This is the driver's side. Alright, now we're done. Alright, so you can see right there. Let's get that little spot right there. So you can see we got this nice and shiny. Alright, let's get this last part right here. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out the results. Alright, let's check out the back seats. Alright, look what we got here. Rookie press for that ass. The wife made that for us. Alright, let's check out the results. This is back seat, passenger side. As the driver's side of the back seat. Much better than how it was. Let's check out the passenger side. seats back. Alright, so this is the passenger side. Looks nice. That's your driver's side. Alright. So there you guys have it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.